Hello, Christmas light community. So today I've been asked this question several times, so I'm going to show you how it can be done. I'm not going to say this is the best way to do it, but this is one way we can do it. And what it is the question is how can we make an extension cord for whether it's pre-light minis or it's C9s that are bought in a mini strand like this that has the ends already on, that we can't cut off and make a short extension cord to maybe go from one eave to the next eave, or from, if we need to go from one socket to maybe we don't want lights to the next bush, or something along those lines. But before that, please go down and please subscribe to my channel. And like I said, this is mostly, say, if you have a bunch of bushes here and then you got another bush 5 feet away and you're like, man, I want to put some more lights there, but I want to go get a bunch of extension cords or buy a big long extension cord, put it there. I show you how to make extension cords up in this one, but the problem with these is with the SPT here, you can see it is wider than this one. So what happens is it will not plug in to here. So see, this is real thick, it won't plug in there. And I've heard people say, well, if you keep rocking in it, eventually you're gonna get in there. Yeah, you're eventually gonna break the plastic enough to do that. But it's still not the best ideal. That is obviously one way to do it. The way I've done it is, I'm not gonna say this is the most, I mean, it's safe because it's all gonna be down in the plug and you're still getting contact with it. So all I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take a pair of cutters, side cutters, and what I'm gonna do is where the hole is right here, I am going to basically cut right up through there. So if you take your snips and you cut just to the hole first, what that does is that way it doesn't take as much to cut it. So I snip it there first and then I go all the way up. Actually, I can cut that little piece off there now. And then I go all the way up to the very top. And then sometimes it's easier to take little bites versus big bites. Alright. And then we're going to snip it right at the very top. Today. And then I'm going to just basically get that off there. And then I'm going to break it off there. And then I'm going to straighten this up. So what I've done is I basically just trimmed half of this up there, and you can kind of see it did take a little work to do it, but what that will allow is for me to plug this in, and I'll show you that it works because I have a female on this end and I have another set of lights here that we can plug it in to touch it. And voila, we have lights. So this way we can make SPT extension cords with our plugs and everything. And everything, if you need to make extension cords, are down in the description down there. But we can plug it in. And the thing about this is we can plug them in either way. It doesn't really matter. They'll still work either which way. I just turned it. If I can get this here. And there, we got lights again. So these will work either which way. So like I say, sometimes the best part is having a good set of side cuts. These here are great for putting the SPT on. They're not great for this here, for whatever reason. I just can't get enough leverage on the end there. I did make it work, and it does work. And really there's no unsafe thing here, because once this is plugged in, it's all sealed up, it's all nice and tight, just the way it's supposed to be. And that's what we want. So you can see it's nice and tight. It's not like you're going to get shocked or anything. And this is a way we can make the SPT wire fit into the plug for the Christmas light plugs. like to know, again, how to make extension cords, please check out this video here. And if you would like to learn how to hang Christmas lights on a roof, check out this playlist here. Thank you and have an awesome and a Merry Christmas.